going to talk about kangaroo meat. Now, the kangaroo meat, Australian kangaroo meat, is extremely healthy. There are different ways of cooking it. I prefer to try this one the same way I cook steak, but because the texture of kangaroo meat can easily, if you cook it for too long, it gets like the bottom of a shoe. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try the 2 minute rule. 2 minutes one side, 2 minutes the other. But when I'm looking at one side, I can tell if the heat is coming like I want it. If it's not coming the way I want it, instead of 2 minutes, I go 3 minutes one side, 3.5 minutes another side. So don't go nowhere. Don't go anywhere. Stay here because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. First, put a little bit of sea salt on it, some rosemary, grinded some garlic, added to it, a little bit of thyme, and I'm prepping it here so when I cook it I want to add those flavors. This is an award-winner olive oil, and it's very balanced. It had that fruity taste of figs, Figs, and it's not expensive. You can find this in some of the stores. Look for it, Cobra Estate, and it will add the flavor necessary. Gas iron, hot. Now I add the kangaroo. Now you don't have to cook it for a long time because this meat doesn't take a long time to cook. If you cook it for too long, it's going to be like eating rubber. So you have to be very careful. Maybe 1.5 to 2 minutes on one side, another couple minutes on the other side, and you should be good to go. Adding the butter. Now I actually decided to cook one side for 3 minutes, and I'm going to do the same from the other side, and I'm doing that because of the thickness, so I'm kind of watching it closely. If it was a little bit thinner, I would have done the couple minutes inside, but that's not the case. This is a thick loin, so I'm cooking it similar to a steak, but with a close eye to make sure stay medium rare. Let it rest for 5 minutes, and now I cut it on little slices.